Let's do the daily cipher. Follow the arrow, tap 3 times, and then the hamster button will turn red. This is the daily cipher. We can get 1 million coins when we discover the secret words. So let's do this. First, long tap, and tap. First letter G. Second, tap and long tap. Second letter is letter A. Third, long tap, and the third letter is letter M. Fourth step, tap, and the fourth letter is letter E. Fifth, tap, long tap, and tap. Fifth letter is letter F. Lastly, tap, and the last letter is letter I. There we go! Take the prize! Our daily combo for today are IT team, product team, and YouTube gold button. In our daily combo, we can get 5 million coins for free. We can use our coins by upgrading the cards so that our profit per hour will increase. That's all for today. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos.